Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Black Sea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about Crypto.com Crocoin and give you guys my opinion on where I think we could be headed. So without further ado, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop into this video. So guys, first thing is first, you can follow me at 333 Black Sea over on Crypto Twitter. We are on day 72 proposing Crypto.com market buyback and burn a Crocoin with a percentage of quarterly profits. Yes, guys, we can do this. We can start this conversation. Crypto.com has acknowledged us already. Let's keep this conversation going. They have acknowledged us now, and it's the time to continue this conversation. The Crow fam can make Cronos great again, guys. You know, it's really important that the Crow fam and the Cronos ecosystem realizes when we come together, we're very powerful. We can start these conversations, and we can make this chain great. When we work together, we can do it. You know, I also tweeted out Caw versus Mary was an interesting time. I remember when the Cronos meme coin season was really popping off and there was these battles, but really I think we learned something is that when the Cronos ecosystem comes together, we get a lot more done as a team, and the Crow fam is strong together and not divided. And I really do think that the Crow fam right now is very, very united on a lot of these issues with the Cronos ecosystem. And I think that we are coming together and we're actually getting something done. We are going to bring volume back to this chain. And I think there's going to be a fantastic Cronos meme coin mania around 2. And I think that Crocoin is going to perform very, very well in this next leg up for Bitcoin. And we will talk about that shortly. So let's take a look over at Cronos right now, sitting at rank 35, kind of wavering in the 30s right now for overall coins. When you look at it, we're sitting at $2.39 billion market cap. Like to see that, would like to see that increase, and we are sitting at about a $5.1 million 24-hour volume. That is a kind of a normal amount for us to be trading at. Sometimes we'll have a 2 million or 1 million. That's very, very low. We don't like those days, but we are seeing a little bit of a uptick in volume today because, well, the markets are green. So when we look over at Crocoin right now, once this loads, we can see that we are below 0.0830 cent level, this very, very important yellow support level. And I'll tell you what, guys, I am seeing a little bit of something that I'm a little bit worried about. I don't really want to test this. That was once a very, very nice support level. I do not want to curl up and hit this as resistance and reject off of it. In my opinion, that will be a bearish divergence, and I will think that we probably will be heading our way down to the 0.0689 cent level. That being said, Bitcoin is trading at a very nice level here. We're seeing a little bit of a bounce off of a terrible drawdown over the past week. It was a very, very bearish week across the board for stocks and crypto. But we are starting to see a little bit of a relief rally for Bitcoin. So hopefully we see Crocoin break above this 0.0830 cent level. We do not want to see this turn into resistance because then I'm going to be a little bit more bearish on Crow. And when we look at the Crow versus BTC chart, I'll tell you what, I don't know why TradingView is so slow right now. This is pretty interesting. But it's starting to make a little bit of a bounce. Let's see if I refresh this. That's annoying. We'll open it up for us. Let's see if we can see this open up. Here we go. As you can see, we are seeing a little bit, just a little bit of a bounce here on Crow versus BTC. I do think that Bitcoin dominance is topped out, guys. I do think that Crocoin is setting up for a move against Bitcoin, especially if we start to make our way to the upside and the top side of this channel in Bitcoin, which we will take a look at shortly. I think that Crocoin will run against Bitcoin. I think that Crocoin may be, the Crow versus BTC may be close to bottoming out here, guys. We are at all-time lows, but we are getting a little bit of a green candle here. Money flow does not look good, but it is starting to make its way slowly but surely to the upside. Less money is coming out of the market. Once we can reach this point and get positive, then we're going to be seeing Crocoin rally significantly against Bitcoin, hopefully make us get closer to that target of $1 Crocoin. I think it is possible, guys. I do think it's possible this cycle to be looking at breaking above $1. So I do also want to say, guys, if you do want to take advantage of potentially a fantastic trade on Crocoin, if you think that Crocoin is going to rally against Bitcoin, or you think that the Cronos meme coins or other meme coins are going to rally against Bitcoin, check out some fantastic links we have down in the description box as well as in the pinned comment. We have a $5,000 sign-in bonus to Blowfin, which is a fantastic amount of meme coins that you can leverage trade on. Please be careful leverage trading, guys. It is a very, very risky tool, but it is also a tool and can be very, very beneficial when you're trying to increase your portfolio size. All you got to do is click those links, deposit, trade a little bit. You get a bunch of free money for Blowfin and a $4,100 sign-on bonus to Femex. Just a different exchange, but Blowfin definitely has a lot more available coins than the smaller cap coins to leverage trade with. So let's take a look at the overall market right now. Bitcoin is trading at $56,600. A nice bounce off of that. We did break below $53,000, guys. But right now we are getting a little bit of a relief rally, seeing Bitcoin up about 4.2% on the day. Bitcoin dominance slowly coming down. You know, guys, we broke 60%. And I still think that Bitcoin dominance is topped out. I do think that we don't see above 60% dominance until Bitcoin breaks above that channel of 74,000, makes new all-time highs, or breaks below 52,000 on a weekly candle closing basis. Otherwise, I think that Bitcoin dominance is topped out, and we chop around, and altcoins are going to be getting some love, in my opinion, here. So I'm keeping my eyes wide open here. I want to make my swap from Ethereum to Solana. I don't think I'm going to have that chance. I don't think that's going to happen. I'm holding my Crocoin. I think I'm pretty locked into all my altcoins right now with where Bitcoin's at. I'm not really planning on buying anymore. I'm pretty happy with where I'm at when it comes to spot. When we look at Bitcoin right now, you can see on the weekly, it looks a little bearish. You can see that the momentum wave here on Market Cipher is continuing to increase. It's getting a little bit bigger, but I do think that if we come down below this line here, we're going to get a green dot on the weekly. But I will say, the daily looks pretty bearish, really bullish, so hopefully that bleeds into this weekly time frame. But the weekly right now looks a little bearish, not going to lie, but the daily shows a little bit of a different story here. We're seeing the first candle to the upside. Would really like to see continuation here. Would really like to see a test at that $59,000. Look at that. Green dot on the daily on Market Cipher. That's what I'm saying. If we can see this bleed over into the weekly time frame, it's going to be very, very bullish, and I expect a move above $60,000. So we're going to be keeping our eyes wide open on the daily, and hopefully the daily can hold strong where we're at and make our way to, say, 58,000. If we can close above 58,000, I would say $60,000 is on the table for us, guys. So we're going to be paying attention to that. And you know what that means for the altcoins and Crocoin? It means a big move to the upside. So we're going to be keeping our eyes wide open for that. Let me know in the comment section below. Do you think that Crocoin is bottomed versus Bitcoin? Do you think Crocoin is going to rally significantly against Bitcoin? I'm very curious on what you guys have to say. I think that we're starting to see a little bit of curvature here, so it would be very nice to see some follow through. But that's all I got for you guys. Please hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. I will see you in the next one. Bye.